Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we are diving into the world of drawing as we create a captivating portrait of a girl wearing a mysterious mask. Let your imagination run wild as we blend elegance with intrigue on our canvas. Let's get started. As we embark on this creative journey, we will explore the intricate details of facial features and the delicate balance between light and shadow. Today, we will bringing our character to life, infusing her with depth and personality. Join me as we delve into the art of capturing expression even behind the veil of a mask. We will play with textures, explore different shading techniques, and breathe life into our artwork. Together, we will create a piece that not only showcases our technical skills but also sparks curiosity and emotions in the viewer. Get ready to unleash your creativity and let your imagination soar on this artistic adventure. Throughout this tutorial, we will unravel the mystery of the masked girl, blending elements of realism with a touch of fantasy. We will pay attention to every detail from the curve of her lips to the glimmer in her eyes, infusing our artwork with depth and intrigue. So let's embrace the unknown and embark on this artistic journey together, where every brush stroke brings us closer to unraveling the enigma of our masked muse. Until next, keep watching, keep creating, and stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.